What is 15% of 280? Now that we're capable of converting between percents and decimals, we're going to start solving problems involving percents. And there's a nice way to do this, and it's a tool that's called the percent equation. Basically, whenever we're dealing with a calculation with percents, we're usually dealing with three different quantities. In this case, the first quantity is the what, it's the thing that we're looking for. We've got the 15%, and then we've got the 280%. So usually there's a percent, and then there's a certain part out of a whole. And if we can write this in the form A, some quantity, is P percent, some percent, of B, some other quantity. So if we can write this in the form something is some percent of another number, we can actually convert this into an equation, because the word is usually means equals, and the word of usually means multiplication. So if we have A is P percent of B, that really means A equals P percent, which we'll need to convert to a decimal, times B. So in this problem, we're asked what is 15% of 28? So we have what is 15% of, 280. In this case, because we don't know what that number is what, we're going to use a variable to represent that. We're going to let that be x. And then the word is equals 15%. If we convert that to a decimal, that's 0.15. Of means multiplication, and 280 is 280. So if we can write the problem as a simple sentence, something is some percent of another number, we can actually convert that into an equation using x to represent the unknown quantity, and from there we can actually solve to find the value of x. In this problem, we're told that x is equal to 0.15 times 280, and if we actually go through and perform the multiplication, 0.15 times 280 is 42. So our answer here is x equals 42. And so to answer the question, they say, what is 15% of 280? Well, in this case, 42 is the number that is 15% of 280. Whenever we're dealing with a problem that's asking us to find an unknown that involves percents, we usually use this tool, the percent equation. So our goal for the next few problems is going to be to have everything in the form something is some percent of something else, and then to get practice converting those into equations.